Our next product are our kits. Peroxide Gel Teeth Whitening Kits. What's great about this product is that it includes everything you need to perform a teeth whitening treatment on a client. A bib, which is two-sided. The paper side is upward, whereas the plastic side is on the back as a barrier. One pair of gloves, because we want to never have direct contact with the client or the client's mouth. A gel pen. This blue gel is used as a gum line protectant to ensure that the client's gum line is not burned during the teeth whitening treatment. A cheek retractor, which is used to keep the client's mouth wide open for the teeth whitening treatment. And last but not least, a peroxide gel pen. These pens are especially strong because they offer the highest whitening solution on the market, which at this time is 28%, which will guarantee strong client results.